do you like chickens? How about chicken pot pie? How about chicken nuggets?
Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Chicken train, running all day. Can't get on, can't get off. Chicken train, take the chickens away.
Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in another day on the Urban Micro Farm. So our little bird friends are definitely hungry. They are ready for some breakfast food snacks. And once we get the feeders down, make sure the waters are topped off, we are going to weigh some birds as promised. They've been out here as of today. They've been out here 7 days, so they've been out here 1 full week. And we want to see how much weight they've gained in a week. So let's do that, and we will check back in with you when we do that. Stand by. All right, so we are going to weigh this bird here. £1 4 ounces. That was £1 4 ounces.
Okay. That's about what the average looks like.
Another average size. So that other one was a little smaller?
No, a little bigger, I
Okay.
think. But actually, they kind of feel like they weigh similar.
£1 0 ounces.
Okay. Sorry, buddy.
£1 4 ounces, so about the same time, about the same size as that first one. So,
Oh, goodness.
so they've only gained just a few ounces in a week, which is okay. That's not really a problem. It's just nice knowing where they're at. So now we have a document of where they are at 7 days on the pasture, and we can go from there. Okay, well, we are going to shake loose from the Urban Micro Farm here from the pasture, and then we will check back in with you guys a little later this afternoon. Stay with us. So this is what happens when you stay out scouting too long and then you hustle to get back, but it's after dark when you get back. You get to do chicken farming by headlight. So now I know all the birds are all settled in. I know that. But we've still got to pick up these feeders because we don't want them up roaming around eating all night. So we're going to pick up these feeders. We'll check the water. If they need any water, we'll splash some water on them. But I think we're just going to pick up the feeders and leave them alone for this evening, and then we'll be out here again early tomorrow morning. So that's it. Now, just for the record, those of you who are interested, slip on over to the Wyoming James YouTube channel, and you'll be able to see our scouting adventure from today. I feel like it was really worth the trip, and so get on over there and check that out. Mason and I got out and did some scouting today, so that's it. Wyoming James checking out from another long day away from the Urban Micro Farm. Adios.
Chicken